In 1986, a lonely spacecraft raced past Uranus and photographed something that shouldn't exist. A moon that looked shattered into pieces and clumsily glued back together. Its name is Miranda. Scientists call it the Frankenstein moon. And nearly 40 years after that single flyby, we've just discovered it may be hiding something incredible. An ocean. Voyager 2 had only a few precious hours as it flew through the Uranus system. It captured Miranda's southern half in stunning detail. The northern half? No human has ever seen it. The images stunned everyone. Ancient cratered plains sit right beside bizarre racetrack-shaped grooves called corona. It's as if pieces from 3 different moons were stitched into one small body. Then there's the cliff. Verona Rupes drops as much as 20 kilometers straight down by some estimates, the tallest known cliff in the solar system. Earth's Grand Canyon could vanish inside it 10 times over. Miranda's de suggestional en prison. And here's the strangest part. Miranda's gravity is so weak that stepping off that cliff would mean falling for roughly 12 minutes. And according to NASA, with a simple airbag, you could survive it. For decades, scientists believed Miranda was once blasted apart by a colossal impact, its fragments slowly falling back together in a jumbled mess. A moon rebuilt from its own wreckage. But newer models tell a different story. Long ago, gravitational tugs from neighboring moons kneaded Miranda's insides like dough, heating it up and slowly churning its frozen surface from below. Then, in 2024, researchers re-examined those decades-old Voyager images and found the fingerprints of a hidden ocean, possibly 100 kilometers deep, sealed beneath Miranda's icy crust. Even more astonishing, their models suggest that ocean may not be ancient history. Some of it could still be liquid today, on a tiny frozen moon nearly 3 billion kilometers from the sun. If that's true, Miranda joins a growing club of ocean worlds that might harbor the ingredients for life. And NASA's next great flagship mission could head to Uranus in the coming decades. So, what do you think is hiding under Miranda's shattered crust? Tell me in the comments below. And if you learned something new today, hit that like button. See you in the next one.